Hello students, welcome to Siri PathaShale. In today's class, we shall discuss with problems in exercise 5.2, that is from arithmetic progressions. In the previous class, we have done problems in exercise 5.1. We have solved different types of problems in that exercise. So, in today's class, we shall discuss the problems in exercise 5.2. Before discussing, let us recall once. Yes, nth term of an AP, okay, is calculated using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, where a is first term, then n is the number of terms in that AP and d is the common difference. Similarly, if any term, okay, fifth term, fourth, any term is asked, okay, we can use this formula and find the answer. So, let us continue with the exercise 5.2. Okay, let us start with that. Not continuing, start with that exercise. Exercise 5.2. This chapter name is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. In that, we are going to discuss exercise 5.2. So, let us start with the first main. First main, fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A is the first term, D the common difference, and AN the nth term of the AP. Okay, so here a table is given. In that, in some problems, the first one AN is asked to find. AN find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A, D ಮತ್ತೆ N ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Then second problem here, D is asked to find, question mark for D. Then rest of the three, A, N and AN are given here. Third problem, A is asked to find and D, N and AN values are given. Yeah, and two more sums are here. So, based on the given data, okay, what are given and what is asked to find, let us solve the problems. So, let me take the first one in that. That's the first one, first main, first one. What are given in the formula? And in the problem, in the table, A value given, A is equal to 7 and D is equal to 3 and N is equal to 8. These values are given. Asked to find AN. How much we need to find? It's a direct question, isn't it? Okay, so use the formula. What is the formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We need to find 8th term. So what do we get? A plus 8 minus 1 is 7, 7D. Okay, so we need to find AN is equal to A plus 7D. So without using, directly also you can write this. Okay, this is direct again, 8th term you can write it as A plus 7D. 10th term we can write it as A plus 9D, like that. Understood? So AN is here what? A8. Okay, A8 is asked to find. Let us substitute the values now. So A8, A value 7 plus 7 into D, how much? 3. Okay, so 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. So we got the answer. 8th term or A8 is equal to how much? 28. Okay, so first problem is solved. Next, in the second one now, here, what are given in the question? A value given, okay, second one, A value minus 18, then D is how much? Asked to find D how much? And N is equal to 10, okay, and last one, AN is equal to 0. AN is equal to 0. They have given these values. Let us use the formula. So, what do you mean by this? N is equal equal to 10 and an is equal to 0. That means 10th term is 0. Okay, 10th term of this AP is equal to 0. That is the meaning of this. Okay, so let us substitute now. A10, using the formula, what do we get? A10 is equal to A plus 9D. Am I right? Yes, it is. Okay, that is A plus n minus 1. That is 10 minus 1 is 9, 9D. Okay, A10 value how much? It is given 0. So 0 is equal to A minus 8, okay, plus 9D. Simplify this. So bring minus 8 to LHS or bring 9D to LHS, it becomes minus 9D. Most of you have confusion in this stage. So this stage bandaga neevu ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? If you bring 9D here to LHS, right, that has 9D, here you keep minus 8 in its head. Okay, or when you bring this one, again you make the mistake. So common mistake is here, while changing the sign you do the mistake. You should remember that whenever you change any shift any term either to LHS or RHS, sign has to be changed. Okay, ನೀವು LHS ಇಂದ RHS ಗೆ ಹೋದರೂ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ RHS ಇಂದ LHS ಗೆ ಹೋದರೂ ಕೂಡ you have to change the sign. So I am bringing 9D to LHS now. So here we have plus D. Okay, plus 9D. So when I shift this to LHS, what do we get? It becomes minus 9D. So minus 9D is equal to minus 18. Now minus sign gets cancelled. Okay. So D is equal to what? Minus 18 by divided by minus 9. So minus by minus plus we get. So D is equal to how much? 9 how many are 18? 9 2s are 18 plus 2. So common difference is D. Okay, so second problem over now. Second problem over. Now let us go for third problem. So in first problem we got AN, second problem we found D. Now I will take third one. Yes, it is asked to find A. Let me show that also. Okay, so it is asked to find the value of A. The third one. A is equal to how much? What is D? D is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. Then N18. N18 and AN minus 5. Just by saying this, what do you observe? What can you understand? Okay, here N is equal to 18 and AN is minus 5. That means 18th term is minus 5 and D is negative. So numbers will be in decreasing order. Okay, so numbers of the AP are terms of AP are in decreasing order. Okay, so let us substitute in this formula. So formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. Or yes, since it is 18th term, yes, we can write A plus 17D. Okay, is equal to how much? Minus 5. Okay, so right now AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A18 it is. So A18 is equal to A plus 17D. A18 how much it is given? AN value it is minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to A plus 17. A value given. Now A value is asked to find. 17. D value how much? Minus 3. 17 into minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to A. 17 3s are how much? 51. Plus into minus, minus 51. Now I will shift this to the LHS and show you. Okay. So minus 5. I will shift minus 51 to LHS, transposing. Okay. So minus 51. So 5 plus 51. How much it is? It is plus 46. So A is equal to 46 is equal to A, or A is equal to 46. Okay, it is plus 46 because here we have plus sign. Greater number is 51, it has plus sign. So A is equal to 46 and here it is in decreasing order. See, first term is 46 and 18th term, see, it is negative. So what did you understand by this? It is in AP is in decreasing order. Okay, next. So now you understood how to find all this. The last one to find n, let us do now. Yes, it is fourth one. Fourth one. Here we need to find the value of n. How to find? Let us learn now. Copy this first. Okay, now let us go with the fourth problem in this. Fourth problem. Here, A value given minus 18.9, minus 18.9, D value given 2.5, 2.5. N is asked to find. Okay, N kotilali. So An, that is given, An is equal to 3.6. 3.6. Okay. So we need to find n, value of n. So now we cannot write which term is 3.6, isn't it? Yav term anta namu gottagalla. So let us use the formula directly. So formula is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, substitute a how much? An how much? 3.6. A is minus 18.9 plus n minus 1, right, as it is, into d value how much? It is 2.5. Okay. So let us simplify this now. 3.6 minus 18.9, I will transpose it to LHS. So it becomes plus 18.9 is equal to, multiply this, n into 2.5, what do we get? 2.5 n. Okay, plus into minus, minus 2.5 into 1 is, 1 into 2.5 is 2.5. Now again I transpose this also to LHS. Okay, so 3.6 plus, or all together also, before bringing this all together we can do this transpose, plus 2.5 is equal to 2.5 n. Simplify now. 3.6, here 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. Okay, the 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, okay, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, so it is 25.0 or 25. Okay, 25.0 or 25. So 2.5x is equal to 25. Therefore, x is equal to, what do we get? 25 by 2.5. How can you simplify? 2.5, it is multiply 10 for both numerator and denominator. You can do it directly also, you know, if you are perfect in calculation. Or else, yes, convert this into whole number. Okay, 2.5 into 10, what do we get? We get 25. Here we get 250. 250 by 25, what do we get? 25 ones are, 25 tens are. So it is equal to 10. So what is your conclusion? It is not x, okay, n. We have done problems in algebra now, so that by practice it always comes x like that. Okay, so n is equal to 10. So 10th term of the AP is how much? 3.6. Okay, 10th term of the AP is 10. Which one? 3.6. N value 10. Okay, now for 5th term you can do it your own because it's a direct problem. Now let us go with second main. Second main. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First one. 30th term of the AP is 10, 7, 4, etc. is. Okay, what to find here? 30th term. What is A? 8 is equal to 10. D how much? It is 7 minus 10 is? 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Then or 4 minus 7 is minus 3. And yes, the n value, since it is 30th term, you have to find, take n is equal to 30. Okay, 30ನೇ pada. Okay, so n is equal to 30. Then yes, use the formula and find the value. Okay, so an value. So A30, you need to find the value of A30. It is A plus 29D. Second one, let us do now. 11th term of the AP is minus 3. You need to find 11th term. Okay, and here AP is given minus 3, 1 by 2, 2, etc. Let us do that sum. Okay, that is second main, second one. Both are of same kind. I am going to solve second problem in that. Yes, let us take second main, second one. Second main, second one. So let us take the given data. A is equal to AP is given. AP is minus 3, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 2, etc. Okay, so what is A? A is minus 3. First term. Common difference. D is, or Samanya Pada, D is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. We are subtracting. Or 2 minus of minus half. Okay, so minus 1 by 2, minus into minus becomes plus, plus 3. 3 minus 1 by 2, how much we get? 2 and half, isn't it? Okay, it is nothing but 2 and half. Okay, so 3 minus half is 2 and half. You can write in which one? Improper fraction form. If you take like that, it is easy to simplify. Okay, so we can write it as 5 by 2. Okay, so D value 5 by 2. Yes, next, what is the value of n? It is 11th term. So n is equal to 11. Okay, so 11th term. Yes, what is the formula? It is a plus n minus 1 into d, or it is a plus 10d. 11th term is a plus 10d. N is equal to 11th term. 11th term. So we need to find. It is therefore A10, 11th term, we need to find A11 how much? A11 how much? The formula is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Since it is 11th term, A plus 10D we get. Okay, let us find now. It is A value how much? A value is minus 3. Plus n minus 1d, that is we get 11 minus 1 is 10, 10d. So d value how much? 5 by 2. So minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. What do you get? 2 ones are 2 5s are. So minus 3, 5 5s are 25. Okay, multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Here there is no denominator. By 1 it is. So 2 ones are, so 1 ones are 1 we get. So 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 3 how much? It is 22. So 11th term is how much? 22. Which is the correct option in that? Option B. It has 22. So that is the correct answer. Option B is correct answer. Let us go with third main. First let us go with the first problem only. Very simple one. Third one. First one. Third main. First one. So let us take A is equal to 2. AP is given 2 and there is blank, that is X or unknown, and 26. This is given AP. Okay, so only there are 3 terms. Okay, so what is A? A is equal to 2. And what is this? A means A1 first term. Okay, A2 is unknown. A3 how much? It is 26. Okay, A3 is 26. We need to find A2. Okay, so A3 is 26. So what do you mean by that? A3 is 26 means A3 is A plus 2D, isn't it? Is it A plus 2D? 2D? It is A plus 2D. This is A. This is A plus D. This is third term is A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to how much? They have given 26. Okay, substitute in this. A value how much? It is 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. 26. So 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. When I shift, what do I get? 24. So D value how much? 24 divided by 2 is 2. 12s are 24. Okay. So now we got the value of D. Common difference is how much? 12. Okay. So first term is 2. 2 plus 12. What is second term? It is 14. Okay. Now required one, that is A2 is equal to 2 first term 12. D plus D it is. So how much it is? 14. So answer is 14. Now let us go with 21. Let us go with the second one only now. Okay, here 4 terms are given. Okay, 4 terms are asked, given in AP, but in that first term and third term are unknown. Okay, we need to find them. So let us go with that problem now. Yes. Second one. Dash. This blank. Next 13. Again blank. Then it is 3. What do you observe in this AP? It is in decreasing order. Okay. So first term is unknown. A is unknown. Second term is known. Third term again it is unknown. Fourth term known. Okay. Yes. To get second term, this is A. This is what? A plus D in the series, isn't it? So it is given that A plus D is equal to how much? 13. And this is fourth term. Okay, fourth term. Okay, this is A2 is A plus D. Okay, it is 13. Then fourth term is what? A4. It is A plus 3D. How much it is given? It is 3. Okay, see. Now, what have we got? This is nothing but what? A plus D is equal to 13. And A plus 3D is equal to this one 3. See here now, we got linear equations in two variables, isn't it? Simultaneous equations. A plus d is equal to 13. A plus 3d is equal to 3. Both are unknown. Without that, we cannot find anything, isn't it? A ಮತ್ತು d ಎರಡು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can't find any of the term. So let us use knowledge of simultaneous equation and solve it now first. Okay, so what to do is here change the sign because a and a. Okay, plus a we have. So let us use elimination method. Let us recall once. In elimination method, what do we do actually? One term na cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ eliminate it, isn't it? Any one term which has the same coefficient. Yeah, what is the coefficient of a? 1. Here also coefficient of a is 1. So we can remove or eliminate a from the equations easily. So if I change the sign here, plus a, plus becomes here also minus, here also plus 3 becomes minus 3, plus a minus a gets cancelled. What remains now? Plus 1d minus 3d. What do we get? Minus 2d is equal to 13 minus 3, how much? 13 minus 3 is 10. So d is equal to, it is 10 by minus 2, 2 5s are minus 5. Yes, see, it is in decreasing order. We have to get negative value only here. Decreasing order the negative value ne barbeku. Which one? D value. Okay, so d is equal to minus 5. Using this, let us find a value. Okay, how do you find now? Substitute in any of the equation, either in first equation or in second equation. Let us take simple one, the first one. A plus d is equal to 13. So let us write a plus d is equal to 13. I will substitute in that. A plus d value how much? Minus 5 is equal to 13. That is a minus 5 is equal to 13. I transpose minus 5 to RHS. So we get 13 plus 5. It is a is equal to 80. So we got a first term 18 and we got d also. It is minus 5. Yes, 18 plus minus 5. 18 minus 5, what do we get? 13. Again 13 plus minus 5. 13 minus 5, how much it is? It is 8. Okay, so we got 18 and the other one, here also this one, 13 minus plus of minus 5 it is, we get this is third term, a3 as, okay, 13 plus minus 5, we get, how much we get? 8. Okay, a3. That is 8. So, see, 18 minus 5, 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. Our answer is right. Okay, now let us go with the last problem in this. That is fifth one. In this main fifth problem. I erase this problem now. The problem is a is unknown, that or a1 is unknown, then 38, third term a3 unknown, a4 unknown, a5 also unknown, and a6 is given, it is minus 22. What do you observe? It is in decreasing order. So d value must be negative. Okay, so which terms are given? Second term is given. Second term is a plus d. Okay, second term is a plus d. A first term is a1 is a. So given is a plus d is given, it is 38. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth term. Sixth term, how do you write? A plus 5d is equal to how much? Minus 22. Yes. So now you can tell the answer easily. We can use which Which method? Elimination method to solve this. So minus, minus, plus. Let us change the sign. A gets cancelled. Plus 1d minus 5d, it is minus 4d. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 as the 5 greater number, it has minus sign. Okay, here 38 plus 22. We have to consider the new sign. Okay, first year of sign bit ಈಗ ಯಾವ change ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ sign ನ consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So 38 plus 22, how much it is? 38 plus 2, 40. 40 plus 2, 60. So it is plus 60 now. So minus 4d is equal to plus 60. Therefore d is equal to 60 by minus 4. It is equal to minus 15. D value 15. So let us write now. Find the value of a using this. How do you find? Substituting first equation. It is minus 5 plus d is equal to. So a plus d is equal to 38. So let us substitute. A d value how much? Plus of minus 5 is minus. Plus of minus 15 is minus 15. It is equal to 38. So a is equal to 38 plus 15. How much it is? 38 plus 10, 48. 48 plus 5, 53. So this is 53. A value is 53 and B value is minus 5. So each term we are adding minus 15. That is nothing but what? Subtracting 15. Okay, so 53 minus 15, how much we get? 38. 38 minus 5, how much we get? So next, let us find. A3 is equal to 38. 38 plus of minus 15, that is 38 minus 15. It is equal to 23. 23. Next, A4. Is now that 23, this is 23 now, plus of minus 15 is equal to 23 minus 15, how much we get? It is 8. Here 8. Next, A5 is 8 plus of minus 15, that is 8 minus 15, how much we get? Minus 7. Okay, minus 7. Then minus 7 plus of minus 15. Minus 7 minus 15, it is minus 22. So our answer is right. So easy problems now this? Yes. Okay, now let us go with next main, that is fourth main. Go with fourth main. Fourth question is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. is 78. Which term? What is the meaning of that? Yava term, yava pada. So, yava pada andre what is asked to find? Value of n. Okay. So, it is asked to find the value of n. AP is given means what? You know 3, you have first term A, you know the value of D also. And an is how much? It is given 73. 78. An value is 78. So we need to find the value of n. Okay, so what is given? AP. AP is 3, 8, 13, 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. And also given that an is equal to 78. By the series, what do you understand? A is equal to the first term is 3 and D, common difference. 8 minus 3, 5. 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. D is equal to 5. So let us find now. So an, what is the formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute. An value 78 is equal to a 3 plus n minus 1. We don't know what the value of n. So d value how much? It is 5. So 78 is equal to 3 plus multiply n into 5 is 5n minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Now let us transpose these numbers to LHS because we have plus 5n. In positive idre always it is easy to transpose the number to LHS. Okay. In minus idre if you bring it to LHS it becomes plus. Alva? So suppose illi n athwa whatever the unknown. Okay. If that contains plus sign, better you shift the numbers to LHS. Okay. Then there will not be any confusion. Okay, so 78. Let us take plus 3 minus 5. How much? It is minus 2. I'll shift minus 2 to LHS. It becomes plus 2. So 78 plus 2 is equal to 5n. So 78 plus 2 how much? 80. So 5n is equal to 80. So n is equal to 80 by 5. What do we get? 5 ones are 5 16s are. So n is equal to 16. So what is your conclusion? Which term it is? 16th term is how much? 78. You must write the conclusion. Therefore, 16th term is 78. 16th term is 78. Now, let us go with next problem. Your fifth main is also of same kind. Okay. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So, we need to find the value of n. So, n how much? Same type of problem. An is also given. In the first case, first problem, an value is 205. And we can find a is equal to 7, b is equal to, find the difference. 13 minus 6, 7, how much? 6. In second problem, a is 18. Difference how much? 15 and half minus 18. How much we get? It is in decreasing order, isn't it? It is 2 and half. Okay, 2.5. 2 and half is the common difference. Okay, then yes, a in value how much? Minus 47. Okay, so using the same method, we can find the value of n in both the problems. Now let us go with sixth main. Okay, sixth main. Sixth main. Sixth main is check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. Okay. AP is given. What is AP? AP is 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. Okay. What is asked? Check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP. How do you say? Okay. If 150 is a term of the AP, AP, then n should be what? It is a positive number. Okay. N value, which term it is given, if you know. Okay. If n value is positive, I mean a natural number. Okay, starting from 1, any. Okay, then, yes, we get the value, which one? We can say minus 150 is a term. Okay, n value cannot be negative, or it cannot be a fraction, or it cannot be a decimal number, isn't it? Because yava pada, yava, andre eshtane. Okay, or yava, andre niga, which term, andre eshtane pada, yava pada. Okay, so hangidaga, it should be always a positive number or natural number. Okay. 0 hakkuru. 0 idre we don't have any term at all. Okay. A negative, we cannot have any negative term, isn't it? Minus 1 pada, minus 10 pada anta helakagatta illa. So, like that we cannot say half the term, okay, ardha pada, kal pada, or 2 pada. We cannot say like that. Okay, isn't it? Therefore, always n value must be what? A natural number. Therefore, here you using all this data, find the value of n. Okay, if n is a natural number, this 1 minus 150 is a term of that AP. Okay, if n is not a natural number, I mean a positive, any fraction, decimal, or any kind of what negative value, okay, then it is not a minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Okay, let us check it now. So, what is exactly asked to find here? We need to find the value of n. Okay, and say. Okay, come to the conclusion. So, what is given here? A is equal to 11. Okay, and D is equal to 8 minus 11 or 5 minus 8. How much it is? Minus 3. D value minus 3. Okay, minus 50. Minus 150 is the value of an if n is a natural number. Right? If n is a natural number, n belongs to the set of n means what? Capital N represents set of natural numbers. Which are the natural numbers? Starting from 1. Okay, then we have infinite natural number. If n belongs to the set of n, yes, minus 150 is a term of the given AP. Okay, so let us find. So we need to find the value of n. So an, now let us assume. Okay, just assume minus 150 is the value of an. Okay, and check now. We have the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, substitute here. I take an as I assume minus 150. Minus 150 an value andukondo we are continuing now. Okay, so a is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 is, let us take n minus 1. D value how much? Minus 3. So simplify. Minus 150 is equal to 11 minus n into minus 3 minus 3n minus into minus plus 1 3s are 3. 11 plus 3 how much? It is 14 plus 14. I transpose this to LHS. So we get minus 14. Or we can do, since we have a negative sign here, minus 3n. I transpose 3a minus 3n to LHS. What do I get? I get plus 3n here. Okay, then 11 plus 3 how much? 14. And bring minus 150 to RHS now. It becomes plus 150. So 3n is equal to how much? 164. So n is equal to 164 divided by 3. So n is equal to, this implies n is equal to 164 by 3. Now check, you need not find the fraction and all, just check first whether this 164 is divisible by 3 or not. 3 in the divide agutta 164, find it now. Okay, so how to check? You use the divisibility test. What is the divisibility test for 3? Add up all the digits in this number. 1 plus 6 plus 4, how much? It is 11. Is there 11 in 3 ones a table? Is it a multiple of 3? No, 11 is not a multiple of 3. So what do you say? This is not a natural number. 164 by 3 is not divisible by 3. We get a fraction if you divide. So this is not a natural number. So what do you conclude? Yes, you can conclude minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Therefore, right now, n, the minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Given AP. Easy now? Okay, now let us go with which one we take, 8th or 7th or 8th. 7th problem is find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So here AP is not given. Okay, so we need to find both the values A and D using the 11th term and 16th term. After that, we need to find which one? 31st term. And in 8th problem, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Let us go with this problem. Okay, which one? 8th problem. 7th and 8th are same kind. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ತರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 7th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಗೆ 11th term, 38th term, 16th term ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ given it is given consists of 50 terms and the last term is 106. Okay, 50 terms ಇದೆ AP ನಲ್ಲಿ. In that third term ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. How much it is? 12 and last term is 106. Last term means what? It is nothing but what? 50th term. Okay, 50ನೇ ಪದ it is 106. So using these two values, what do you find? You need to find the value of A and D, that is first term and the common difference. Okay, after finding them, use them and find 29th term using the formula. Okay, now let us continue with which problem? Problem number 8. Problem number 8. Okay. What are given? You write first. Given. It is third term, that is A3 12. A3 12. And 50th term, last term. Okay, so is how much? 106. That is nothing but 50th term. A 50th term. It is how much? 106. And what is asked to find? It is A 29. How much? Okay, that's the question. Okay. How do you write A3 using the formula? A plus 2D. So by this, what do you write now? A plus 2D is equal to how much? 12. And this A50 is equal to 106. So 50th term means what is the formula? A plus 4D. 50 minus 1 is 49. Okay, A plus 49D is equal to how much? 106. Okay, A plus 49D. Always 1 less it is. Okay, 14 minus 1. 50 minus 1, 49. Here 3 minus 1, we get 2. So A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 49D is equal to 106. Which method? We can use elimination method. Yes, you can use substitution method also. But here we find this method is easy. Okay. So common here, my 1A, 1A. Coefficient is 1. So we can eliminate A from the simultaneous equations. So let us change the sign. Okay, so plus A minus A gets cancelled. 2D minus 49D. That means what? Actually you have to subtract. 49 minus 2 is 47. 49 is greater number. Now new sign is minus. Okay, so minus 47D is equal to, yes, 106 minus 12. What do we get? It is 94 minus 94. Okay, because 106 is greater number, it has negative sign. Okay, minus 47D is equal to minus 94. So what is the value of D? Is equal to minus 94 by minus 47. Minus by minus the plus 47 ones are 47 twos are. So D is equal to 2. Common difference is 2. Using this, we can find the value of A. Let us substitute in the first equation. It is easy. Okay, so A plus 2D is equal to 12. Let us use it. A plus 2D is equal to 12. D value is 2. So A plus 2 into 2 is equal to 12. A is equal to 2. So 2 is 4. So 12 minus 4 when I transpose to RHS. Okay, so A is equal equal to 12 minus 4, how much? It is 8. A value 8. So now we have A value, D value, common difference and the first term. So can we find 29 or 29th term? Yes, of course. It is very easy now. So what is the formula? An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute the values now. That is, we need to find A29. So A29 is equal to A value 8 plus 29 minus 1, or we can directly write it as 28D. Okay, it is into D value how much? 2. Into 2. So is equal to 8 plus 28 into 2. How much we get? 56. 56 plus 8. How much it is? 64. Okay, so A29 is 64 or 29th term. Therefore, 29th term is 64. 29th term is 64. Now let us go with last one more problem in today's session. Let us check 9th and 10th. If the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Question. Okay, what is asked to find? Which term? Yava pada, ishtune pada. So it is asked to find the value of n. Okay. On 10th question is, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Okay, find the common difference. Okay, let us go with 10th problem now. Okay, 9th one is easy. Yes, in this 9th problem, A 3 is given, A 9 is given. Using them, first you find the value of A and D. Okay, then yes, take n as 0, that is which, then and find the value of n. N is equal to 0 and substitute the values of A and D and find the value of n in 9th problem. It is just like which one? 6th problem. Okay, it's like 6th problem. Here you will get a number because they have given here the problem alle avare kottidare yav term idu anta yadu 0 anta they have given. Okay, it is not asked to check. Okay, but problem is like that only, similar problem. Okay, now let us go with the 10th problem. The 17th term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. What is the meaning of exceeds? Exceeding. Okay, ahead. Okay, munde adakinta ashtu jaasti. Okay, so meaning of this question is 17th term 10th term ginta 7 jaasti. Okay, suppose 17th term 10th term 10 ಆದರೆ 17th term ಎಷ್ಟು 10 plus 7 17. Okay, so plus 7 it is. We find the common difference. Okay, so let us write 10th one. We need to find the value of D. What are given? Given okay, 10th term. So 17th term, that is which one? A17. How do you find the value of A17? This is nothing but what? A plus 16D. Am I right? 17th term can be calculated by this now. That is nothing but A plus 16D. And which is the other one? 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Okay, 10th term. It is okay, 10th term is A10, it is A plus 9D, isn't it? A plus 9D. So now A17 is A10 plus 7, that is 7 more. Okay, exceeds by 7, that is 7 more. A10 plus 7. Okay. Now substitute here now. That is A10 plus 7. So let us take this as equation 1 and this one equation 2 and equation 3. Let us substitute equation 3 in 1. Okay, nothing else is given here. Yav number no kottilla alva ee problem alli. Okay. So let us substitute this now. Okay, so a plus a10 plus 7. So let me write substitute 3 in 1. A17 place alli I write a10 plus 7. Okay, by substituting 3 equation 3 in 1. Okay, I will write in place of A17. What should I write now? I should write A10 plus 7. So it is A10 plus 7 is equal to, what do we get? 6A plus 16D. 16D. A10 what? It is nothing but what? A plus 9D. So it is A plus 9D plus 7 is equal to A plus 16D. Okay. A, here also A, here also plus A. If I transpose this here, A minus A, then A gets cancelled, isn't it? Plus A minus A gets cancelled. So A gets cancelled. When can we cancel it directly like this only? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ LHS and RHS ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ we can cancel it directly. Why? Because when you shift it to the other side, whether you are bringing to LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, okay, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು one of the term gets changes its sign and it gets cancelled, isn't it? Therefore we can cancel it directly here itself. So 9D minus 16D, here it remains minus 16D. I transpose 16D to LHS. Here we have plus 7. I transpose this to RHS, it becomes minus 7. So 9D minus 16D, how much it is? Minus 7D. It is equal to minus 7. So minus 7, minus 7 by minus 7, it becomes what? Plus 1. Minus n gets cancelled. Therefore, D is equal to 7 by 7 or this minus 7 by minus 7. It is equal to plus 1. Okay, so what is the conclusion? The common difference is plus 1 or 1. D value is plus 1. Okay, that's all students. Let us end today's session. Please join the class and bring your friends also. Subscribe the channel and enjoy learning mathematics. So let us say bye bye now. Thank you.